you. Yeah, you. Come here, boo. Come here. You do know it's free to subscribe to me, right? So what you waiting for? Go on and hit that subscribe button and be a part of this family. Now, let's start the video. What's up, my Balm and subscriber squad? Hey. What's up, guys? Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you don't know who I am, I'm your girl, TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb-ass unboxing world. Today, I'm bringing a little bonus video for y'all. We normally upload Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but since I got the BOXYCHARM base box early, I took a poll on Instagram and on YouTube, and you guys said you wanted to see it today. So guess what, boo? I made it happen. So if y'all want to see what's in June's base box for BOXYCHARM, you know what to do. Stay tuned, boo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you got a palette in your base box or nah. Okay, guys, so as I said in the intro, we're going to be doing BOXYCHARM's base box. This is a box that I do pay for with my own money. I do not receive any PR from BOXYCHARM. My box came a little early, so I was like, why don't we just take a poll, see if they want to see it, you know, on Sunday. Y'all said yes, so I mean, we live, boo. We're about to go on and open this baby up and see if BOXYCHARM did us right. Fingers crossed. But y'all already know how I go with BOXYCHARM. We're going to do the specs, but before I do that, I want to let you guys know I will not be doing shout outs today. The first 5 commenters from this video, I'm going to take you guys and my Monday's first 5 commenters and put y'all all on Wednesday's video. So that's how we're going to do that. No shout outs today, guys. Let's get some specs really quick, guys. So this is their base box, and this one is $25 a month, and you're supposed to get 5 full-size beauty products in this box. They do let you customize 1 product each month. I'm not even sure when the dates were, guys. I forgot. I didn't even get to pick a product for this box because I was supposed to get the Luxe box this month, but once I saw the spoilers, I was not impressed. So I canceled the Luxe box, so I didn't choose for my base box this month, so I don't know what we have in here. It's supposed to have a value of at least $120, and there's a link down below in the description if you want to subscribe to BOXYCHARM. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin', boo. I don't have a drink today, y'all, so y'all take a dance break and a drink break while I open this baby. All right, my loves, y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, that's what the top of the box looks like. It says BOXYCHARM in red and Hello Charmer right here on the front. Let's set her down. Oh, we have a little card this month, and the theme is the Oasis right here. Very cute card. I do like this card, and I have variation number 64, guys. So let's just dive right on in. So up first, I'm seeing from Lashaholic, and these are luxury lashes, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves. And when we open it up, it says ready, set, get addicted. And these are the lashes right there. I hope you guys can see that. These are definitely more on the natural side. Definitely a beginner's lash. I probably could wear these to work. They're not like super dramatic and full like I like, but they're pretty decent. They feel okay. So, all right, I think I've received these lashes in a BOXYCHARM a while back, but I think the packaging was gold. So let's see how much these retail for. And these are the Lashaholic luxury lashes, and these retail for $14.99, guys. There you go. Next up, I'm gonna pull out this product here, which is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner, and this is the foaming face wash here. There we go. I did not want this, guys. I don't know. I really didn't. I didn't want the Kylie skincare. I really didn't. But okay, this is what it looks like. It's a pretty big bottle. It's a plastic bottle. And in here you get 5 fluid ounces of product. And let me just read quickly off the back and see if it says anything. Okay, so it's a gentle formula cleanser that cleanses the skin to help remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh and bright complexion. All right, that's what we have right here, guys. And it does come with this big pump right there. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this yet or put in a giveaway. I really don't know what I'm going to do with this yet, but this does retail for $24. Okay. All right, next up we have Tula Skincare. This is the Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm here. There we go. And this is, let's see, it's formulated without parabens, sulfates, retinol, silicone, all kinds of things, formaldehyde. It's a probiotic in superfoods. Probiotic to help lock in moisture. Caffeine gives the skin a tight and firm appearance. And there's also apple and watermelon that helps deeply hydrate and reduce the look of lines. Okay, so let's see. This is the packaging right here, guys. And in here you get 0.35 ounces of product. You lift it up. Oh, what am I smelling? Oh, okay. It's like a little cap here that pulls off. It doesn't, what does it smell like? I don't know what it smells like, but this is how it looks, guys. It's a nice little blue color. Let me rub it on. Oh, it is cooling. I don't know what that smell is. It's not bad, but I don't know what it is. Okay, so I'm happy to get this. I can always use a good eye cream, so I'm excited about this. Let's see what this retails for. And this is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm, and this retails for $28. Okay. Next up, my loves, I am seeing from, is that Car? What is this? From Cab Cosmetics, this lip liner and lip gloss duo. And I have the shade Charming. And that's what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves. And let's open it up. Oh, wow. Okay, and when we open it up, this is what the lip liner looks like right there. I open it up. Oh, it's like the ColourPop lip liner, exactly like the ColourPop lip liner. That's a cute color. And this is the lip product here. It's very big, guys. It's huge. Let's see. Oh, it smells like bubble gum. That's the applicator. It's very fat, very massive. Okay, and I'm not gonna swatch this. I'm not sure again of what I would do with these, but I haven't heard of this company before. If you have, please let me know. And this is the Cab Cosmetics Lip Duo, and it retails for $40. Now, they're trying to say that this is $20 and this is $20. I think not. Like, this is like a ColourPop pencil, pretty much. And they're what, $6, $7? $40 for this? I think that's a little bit of a fib. Last but not least, I have something in here that does not feel like one of the, what is it, 4 palettes they advertise to get in the base box for BOXYCHARM. Girl, I'll put a picture somewhere around here. There are 4 palettes. They had the Shared Planet palettes, those 2 palettes. They had the one from Touch and Soul, the orange palette, and they had another one from Zoeva, I think. 4 palettes they advertised this month, and I didn't get one. I just want to know, what's the deal with that? Like, who is getting the palettes, boo? I haven't seen anyone with the Shared Planet palettes yet. So BOXYCHARM, baby, they gave me this, y'all. The Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette. Cream to Powder Trio in the shades of nude. And that's what it looks like right there. I'm not going to even swatch it because I do not wear cream products. The one in the middle actually does not look bad, but I know I'm not even going to use this, so I will not waste my time. Oh, but it does come with a mirror. Hey, boo. But yeah, no, I'm not going to use this, guys. I'll probably give this to my mom or put in a giveaway. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. But yeah, let's get a price and then we're going to wrap this up. So this right here retails for $24. All right, loves, that's my final product in this month's box. We're going to quickly recap. I'm going to give y'all my final thoughts and we're going to be done. So we received from Cab these inflated priced lip duo. From Laura Geller, this multitasking eye, lip, and cheek palette. From Kylie Cosmetics, the foaming face wash. From Tula, the brightening eye Balm. Oh, let me put this like that. And from Lashaholic, these lashes here. So these 5 products right here are what we received. Final thoughts. Okay, so my final thoughts is this box was okay. I mean, it wasn't nothing to get like super duper, you know, ooh, no. Is it better than my last month's box? I don't know. I just want to know like where the palettes are. They advertise the Smashbox setting spray. They advertise the palettes. And I mean, who getting it? Because the people that I've watched are PR people. They get their boxes sent to them every month, and they had palettes in their boxes. And I just want to know where the palette's at. Like, is BOXYCHARM, y'all are really like starting to work on my nerves with this. All of these spoilers that y'all release are not going to the people that's actually paying money for these boxes at all. I don't know what y'all are thinking or what y'all are doing, but it's really like low-key false advertisement. What definitely pisses me off is that I think that they're using this pandemic. This is my own opinion, guys. They're using this pandemic as a reason to say, oh, well, we couldn't get products in. So they're using this to clean out their warehouse and put some old products and repeat products in people's boxes, which I have seen in other unboxings. And I don't think that that is cool. Why is it that other boxes that I'm subscribed to are able to get the spoiler products that they advertise and I receive them? Now, I know what BOXYCHARM is going to do. They're going to put all of these palettes we were supposed to get in Boxy pop-up or add-on and want us to spend more money to get them when I should have got it in the first place. To me, just be honest and truthful and say, hey, look, consumers, I am not going to give y'all the palettes and the Smashbox setting spray and all of the great spoilers that y'all see. Instead, I'm going to give you version 64 and not go by your profile, and you just be happy with that and watch the PR people unbox their wonderful, beautiful, special boxes. So that's how I feel about that. I think that I am going to cancel the base box and just keep the premium box because I do know y'all like to see these boxes unboxed on my channel. But BOXYCHARM, boo, y'all, it's like y'all don't even care. Y'all have had multiple complaints on Instagram, and you know, it is just like y'all just don't really care. I think that if the pandemic was too much and it affected you guys that much, you should have just done like the box, took a pause until you're able to get enough products to give everyone, not just your PR people, okay? And that's TonyaNicole's final thoughts on this. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1, this box is damn garbage. Throw it to the repeat products. To 5, being this box is the bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? I'm not even going to rate BOXYCHARM because I don't really know how I feel about this box. I really don't. I don't have a rating for it today, guys, because I'm a little agitated. So let me know in the comments down below what you received in your box. I want to know who received a Shared Planet palette. I want to know how many people, because I don't see it nowhere. On the unboxings that I've watched so far, no one has gotten it, only the Touch and Soul palette. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on my box, what your thoughts are on BOXYCHARM. Let me know if y'all think that they are just like false advertising the people that's actually spending their money, giving all of the bomb stuff to their PR people. I don't like that. I don't care if they get good boxes. I want everybody to get good boxes, but at least your people that's giving you this, make sure that they're taken care of. That's all I have to say about it, okay? So guys, that is all that I have for today's video. I hope you would consider subscribing to your girl if you have not done so already. And yes, I did go on a rant, guys, but this is my own opinion. And I know some people may feel different and some people may love this box and love BOXYCHARM, but I pay for this box and I'm going to give my honest opinion. Even if I didn't pay for it, I'm still going to give my honest opinion on the products, okay? Because that's what TonyaNicole does, okay? So I will see you guys in the comments and on Monday's video, which we are unboxing Allure. I'm excited for that. Wednesday, we're going to have the box by Fashion Star. And then Friday is going to be Freaky Friday, Base Seductive Pleasures. And that video, y'all, I'm telling you, it's off the chain. Okay? That's all I got to say. So guys, until next time and next video, you guys stay blessed. I love you all so much. Bye, guys.